then on the sides
Hi, Linda.
but I think we got way
Pretty impressive, isn't it? Look at that. What's that?
yeah.
Bar with the hook on it for.
Unless they put those in the back too. They're beautiful. They make great steps.
They're just fill.
So will they use that for you?
Probably right where it is.
Throw it in the back.
This is very cool.
Yeah, I think these walls are really cool.
There's a big closet.
I didn't think you were going to put anything in down here.
Right.
Well, that's a structural wall, and this is a structural wall. Look above your head. There's a big glue lamb up there.
Is it gonna crack or anything?
No.
So you still got your bowling alley right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
Or yeah, like a wall.
Wow.
And it gets around 2 or 3 in the afternoon and the lighting is just perfect and it's not dark. Yeah, maybe it's clear day. I guess it would be the birds, yeah. I was actually surprised. I mean, you can see a lot on a clear day. I can't remember when I
On
was
a
in
clear day, you can see forever.
Is Dawn not coming up?
Yeah, it's pretty exciting.
So this is your kitchen?
Yeah.
They're using these chintzy 2x4s that you hate.
Well,
No?
they serve a purpose. You can use them in a vertical application only.
Yeah.
One thing they do is they don't twist as much as a regular 2x4 because they are finger jointed, but you can't use them in any sort of horizontal application at all. But he hasn't been. You can see he uses the.
Right. Well, that's cool. I like your stair. This is just a big dance floor.
Is this where the hallway would be, George?
Hallway, yeah. So you'd come in, and then there'd be a hallway.
Right.
Right.
Oh, right, the bathroom.
Stairs up on